Hello everybody, hey Cushy. Yeah, okay, this is just a quick little intro. We are leaving Boulder City, heading towards the Hoover Dam. And then we're going to be stopping at the Hoover Dam, which will be in another video. Limited to between 10 and 15 minutes of video, and man, it's more than a 10-minute drive just to get there. So enjoy the next few videos in regards to Hoover Dam. Thanks again. Enjoy the show, and remember to subscribe and also please like. I thank you very much. Have yourself a wonderful day and enjoy the film. Well, the tires are all filled and we are back on the road again. We're gonna head down towards Hoover Dam. Might be open, might not be open. Last two times we've been out here, they were closed. So, who knows? It's always sort of a chance, especially during this pandemic, that they won't be open. So, we're on our little drive.
Like little Debbie.
Oh my goodness. Sometimes I don't speak too good. I don't know why. I'll blame the wife for that one. It's my wife's fault. So, here's a little bit of a scenery of what we're seeing as we are going downhill. See anything? I don't see anything.
St. Bench for children.
Beautiful mountains, though. As you can see, that was some of the scenery that we see. Lots of cars coming up while we're going down, and some interesting houses. They got a nice view of the road
And the lake.
There's also a view of the lake. Now you can probably start to see a little bit of lake.
It's very low. It's placid.
Very calm out there. We don't have much winds today. We're supposed to get some winds tomorrow, so this lake is going to be pretty rough in a couple of days. Surprisingly, this lake gets some pretty good sized waves for as small as it is. Here's our little route downward as we travel. It's a long way down. It's amazing when you think about that, when they built this dam out here, how these workers had to go from their homes down there. Their homes were closer to where we were, just up there to the north, I mean to the south of where the dam is actually. So. Now it does the big curve, otherwise you'd think we'd be hitting the lake, but we're not. And before, when I was talking about having a hotel and a casino, outskirts of Boulder City itself. Ahead coming up in the next, about a mile away. If you can see it on here, that's going to be the top of the hotel rooms. And below that is, of course, the casino and restaurants and entertainment area, as we shall say. A little more of Lake Mead from another perspective. Oh yeah, you wonder who that voice is? Yep, that's her. She's driving me crazy. Well, she's driving my car at least. She drives me crazy the rest of the time. And we're just about getting close to that casino over there. Again, it's out there in the distance a little bit. They make you slow down quite a bit. And of course they have a warning sign here. And watch the warning sign say, "Dam is closed."
Is that what it says?
Don't know. High profile vehicles, strong possible winds in the next mile. Luckily we don't have a high profile vehicle.
That's tomorrow.
So this is the Hoover Dam Lodge and Casino. Now they don't have casino written there. They just have cafe and cold beverages. That's interesting. I don't know why it doesn't say casino. Pool, steakhouse, souvenirs, sports bar, info, gifts. Wow, maybe they don't have a casino there no more.
Look. And their marquee is off. They may not.
They may not have a casino no more. How about that? And this is, they have a place here for helicopter tours. We just went by. And I guess they're not having any helicopter tours. Ooh, there was no helicopter there. This is all new stuff here. They created a whole new atmosphere of bridge. And this is kind of the modern thing. Ooh, it's going to get dark. There's light at the end of the tunnel. I see the light.
That joke actually works now.
Ah, there we go. They've developed a turnabout, which is got to go really slow in this turnabout because it goes quite quick. This is one of those roads in which you are just confusing on where to go. You see people making mistakes all the time. Now the interesting part that I see here is they must have there's traffic this time. And yes, you can just go right through because there's no traffic coming this way. It's a one-way street.
No, it's not.
Back there it was.
Oh.
Yeah, 35 miles an hour up there.
This is where the freeway is at the bottom.
I don't know if you can see that out there, but that's where the Highway 11 bypass goes. And skips over the river and misses the dam completely. Years ago, this was the only route. You had to actually, to go into Arizona, there was two routes. One was down in Laughlin and the other one was up here. So I don't know why Deb keeps pointing her finger This was the only route, yes. The road we are on. Lots of twists, turns, steep climbs. So then they created the bypass. I think it was created also because they were afraid that someone might try to destroy the bridge at one time or another.
The dam.
I'm sorry, the dam, right. So they created the bypass. And now when we come up here, we're going to find that I'm going to have to put a mask on because they're going to be checking the car. They usually do an automobile check, a security check. As you can see, there's a sign. You got to slow down just a little bit because these hills are really tough.
Well, I've been braking the whole way down.
I have to teach my wife how to use lower gears when traveling in mountains. So I'm going to have to get masked up, so I'm going to have to shut this off.